2022 Toyota Avalon review and prices. Pros: lots of standard advanced safety features. Comfortable ride quality. Quiet and roomy cabin. Cons: not a whole lot of headroom for a big sedan. What's new? All-wheel drive is no longer available. TRD model has been discontinued. Part of the 5th Avalon generation introduced for 2019. The 2022 Toyota Avalon is one of the only vehicles left in the large sedan class. The Chevy Impala and Ford Taurus are long gone, so the segment now consists of just 3 vehicles. The Chevy Impala and Ford Taurus are long gone, so the segment now consists of just 3 vehicles, the Avalon and the Dodge Charger/Chrysler 300 twins. For our money, the Avalon is the best of the bunch. It offers a smooth ride, comfortable seats, and a richly appointed interior. Unfortunately, Toyota has confirmed that 2022 is the Avalon's last year of production. Toyota has also made changes to available equipment by eliminating the optional all-wheel drive system and discontinuing the TRD trim level. MSRP range: $36,825 to $43,525.